Hello guys, I am back. Let me see in conversation in this engagement in this we in this a couple of times in this we in washer and you want to. That's been you have to LG on one you stop into in this program. So first of all, way to in this engaged and encourage in this we have point in the two. So as spray we developed in this tool in this feature to a measurement in this we in this just a washer and this spinning in the happy annoying in this to is cell indication to way too fast in this corner to enforce it in happy. This first of all in this LG washer at WT1101C.U. So on this situation. So basically in this to in a connection to with hosting in this wheel in this to have the observation. Is I want to have a sheet in this to final school dishwasher and this to try me in this fast and this we in the spinning only and this we have spin for it has a spin for has spin in noise in this spinning too. Not quite in this too in this situation is solution to because to your boy can and Trump. See that? That's count in this too. So basically in simple to in a subtract in this two in this for LG in this the LG try in this in its own one to addition to this to for some which says some in this new one to awesome to you. So they are in the seat and go say we got a new washer and try. Check us out. Check us out.
Mà tính nãy thì dục rồi phải đâu có biết kể đâu đâu.
Oh shoot.
Đi quay cho nó đẹp.
Yeah, me too. So check us out. See, we found it in this washer and new one is LG. And this LG Drive 012 press it to website to equal.
Yeah, Kevin, looking this, but
Yeah.
wait 1 hour.
Oh wait. Oh okay.
And this one need to check out or no?
Check out. Well, okay.
Check it out. This one.
This one.
Check out. Okay.
See that? How is good?
Good or no?
That's good. Yes.
Good.
Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see. LG wash machine.
Yeah. Just
Boogie paint.
normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Normal.
Yeah.
This 2 seconds.
Yeah.
The way carrots. Point past. Speed watched. 10 clean. Towels. Begging. Heavy duty.
Yeah.
Let's see that. Pets. Extrements. It's called and south. The way carrot
kế theo bật mua.
Okay. This off. Hopefully enjoy it and just thank you for watching guys and see you next time.